Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Monday, the 21st of November. This is the charts of the day, and there are some good ones on here, although the market didn't have a good day. At the end of the day, though, got some firming up. We'll see how it goes. We're starting off with BITI, which had that big run in September, taking it from $1.17 in about 3 weeks to $6.74, nearly five-fold increase. And then it took about a month and a half to digest. But today, an engulfing reversal bar took it from 3 to 410 and finished at 398. That was a gain of 81 cents or 25.5%. His volume picked up just a little bit, but watch this one going forward. And he followed through, and I think as early as tomorrow, you get to move through 2025. This thing could take off. Keep an eye on it. BITI with Bitcoin dropping. This is a Bitcoin bear ETF, and you can see it popped in a wedge, and today popped out of the wedge. I'm now looking for 49.50. Boyle looks like it's coming out of a declining topsline. It closed above that, and it closed above lateral resistance as well. So let's see if this can extend. Now you're going to have to try to take out 52 3/4 in order to get to 59. And then beyond that, you're on your roll. You're on a roll. CAAS, China Automotive, popped coil for 3 months, broke out, and it's gone vertical, but it may not be done yet. Looking for 6.5 and 8 potentially if it keeps running. EAF, GrafTech, with positive news today, exploded from after coming all the way down from 13 to 4. Look at the low today, 409 to 560. Closed just 3 cents off the high of 135 or 32%. Volume was a solid 7.8 million. We haven't seen that volume in a couple of years. Looks like a breakout above the resistance. The next target is 6.25. We get through that, you might see 7 or 7.5. LYTS, like that look a lot. Broke out here, ran up to the high we saw back in January of 21, and moved to this level. Might call for a move into the 12-13 zone. As much as 13. Maybe 14. Looks good. So if we get through there, looking for $14. MMAT, a low price stock that was a big winner back in 2021, having run from literally 60, 70 cents all the way up into that low 20s. Finally, they came down big time, back to 60 cents again. The low was 63 cents mid-October. No, October 3rd. In 6 weeks, from 63 cents to 230, about a 300% increase in a 5-way move. So be careful, but it moved through here. Momentum could carry this to 3, even 4. NWTN best looked at on a 15-minute basis because it's a new issue. Take a look at this chart. Beautiful multi-step move up, and it may not be done. If it gets a pop tomorrow and then takes out this level, 8.32, stock could be 10, even 12. Puma, we put in news swing on this one. Look, I like the daily chart a lot. It's on 1 year inverse head and shoulders. It broke through the neckline today with increasing volume, 1.3 million. There's a lot for that stock. Intraday, you can see at the end of the day, it formed another bull coil. It may not be done yet. Targeting 4 3/4, 5 1/4. Rain on the daily chart, right up against resistance, a pop of $1.94, 31%. We get through here, it might go vertical to 10.5. RELL coming out of a flag with a spike up with $1.87 or 8.5%. Now has a target at the top of the channel at 28. SHC Sotera Health with a big volume breakout, 33 million shares, taking it through this pattern through the 21-day and up to resistance. Your next target might be 12. Stock could run. Keep an eye on the momentum on this one. STRO also broke out. Probably a good swing here. Looking for a move to about 9.5 and 11 3/4. SYM, big snapback today, jumping $1.25 or 13.3% up to the declining top sign moving edge. If it gets through here, probably be looking at a move to about just under 14, where resistance lies right there. TMDX still looks great. Look at this little coil that's forming, or wedge, whatever you want to call it. I think 68 and even 75 might be doable. That could be a swing. And finally, UCL with a huge move in the last month. So I've seen this go from 46 cents to today's high at 373, about an 8-fold increase. And with volume spiking here, you be careful. However, the target's now 4.5 and 6 if it keeps going. Let's look at some of the hot stocks at detectrader.com. Good night, everybody.